Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back doing mystery boxes. This is one we have never done before, and to be honest, originally I was never going to order one. There was a little discrepancy between this company and another company that I like very much, and I don't know, I'm not going to say any more than that, but um, I'm going to give this one a shot. I've seen a lot of people do it, and they seem to like it, so we got to check them all out, right? Let's see what we're doing. So this is Be Our Guest Express. So we're going to jump into this, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, ready? So you see how poofy everything is? This is the second time I'm doing this. Yep, unboxed it all. Forgot to press start on my camera. This is what happens when you take 6 weeks off. Ready? Okay, first things first. Packing slip. Very cute packing slip, actually. The artwork is very nice. And we have a Thomas Kincaid. I don't necessarily want to call it a postcard, but it's postcard stock, but it's a lot bigger than a normal postcard. This is limited edition art, Friendship Moments, Donald and Daisy, A Duck Day Afternoon by Thomas Kincaid. Very cool. I'll have to frame that, throw it up on the screen for you so you can take a look. Boop. Very nice. Alright, then there was tissue paper that was connected here earlier, but I ripped it open. And there's a really cute sticker on here that is the castle, the Sorcerer Mickey ears that used to be at Hollywood Studios, the Tree of Life, and Spaceship Earth. And I tore this so I wouldn't tear the sticker. So I might try and get it off of there because it's actually really cool. Now this confetti has been pre-flown, so it knows what it's doing. Here we go. Alright, so this was curated by a friend of mine who is a YouTuber. Brian, his channel is the BryRock75. I will link that down below. Boop. I didn't boop it. It's down there though. You can scroll up and it's see it. Yep. Okay. So if I don't like this box, which I already know I do because I already opened it, I was gonna blame it on him, but I can't because it's awesome. So first things first. Goofy Candy Company gummies. These are by far my favorite Disney snack, and we always use the food plan, the Disney dining plan, and at the end of our trip we always seem to have a ton of snack credits left over, and I leave with a lot of these, and I'm out. So this is awesome. These are, if you haven't had them and you like gummies, this is like the best in the world. Take my word for it. Alright. Next we have a beautiful Thomas Kincaid that the plastic wrap has already been removed from, so you can easily see it. This is I don't know what the name of this one is, but it's Main Street USA and the castle and fireworks, and there is a very cute little lamp post on the side. I will throw this up on the screen so you can take a better look. Boop. That is really cool. I was thinking, I've got another one of these that's this size and it's Dumbo, and I was thinking, once I get like a collection of them, I might kind of like put them all together and put them in a big frame so that, you know, it's kind of like a, I don't know, just put them all together in a big frame. Makes sense in my head, but very cool. I really like these. And, oop, nope, we got another thing in here. This is awesome. I mean, it's all awesome. But This is the 2020 Epcot International Food and Wine Festival 25th anniversary. What a bummer year to have a 25th anniversary. I really wish I could have been to Food and Wine this year. It's my favorite festival in Epcot, which is my favorite park in the first place. So, yeah. But I'm really glad to have this. So, it's Mickey and Minnie dressed up as chefs. And I'll put a better picture in the photo box so you can take a look. Boop. Really great pin. Next year. Gotta get to Epcot for it. If you haven't been to Food and Wine, you're missing out, man. It is some amazing stuff to try. Get to eat all day. And you're on vacation, so it doesn't count. Alright, and then finally, we have got a Jim Shore. Ready? Look at this. This is Donald, Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Pluto, and Goofy. And they're all dressed up like Santa. How cute is that? And I'll throw it on the turntable because the back is even just as cute as the front. Check it out. Boop. Really detailed. I just love Jim Shore's. Super cool. And honestly, we just set up our Christmas decorations yesterday. And well, not yesterday for when you're watching this, like a week ago. We were just saying how many decorations we don't have. We have a lot of ornaments and we have a lot of trees and stuff like that, but we don't have a lot of like knickknacks that are Christmassy. So that's really cool. So we can put that in the living room for Christmas and get a little extra Jim Shore in the house. So I loved everything in here. We got a pin. That's really cool. I really love that pin. Goofy Candy. Thomas Kincaid. Can't go wrong. And Jim Shore. So, thank you, Brian. That is, you definitely know what we like. So I'll throw this up on the screen. Boop. Your box was packed by Brian the Bryrock 75. Again, go check him out. Thank you so much for your purchase. We hope you love it. Glad you and Mary are feeling better. Thank you so much, Brian. Finally getting there. I'm still a little rough around the edges, but Mary's much better, and we're getting there. Jim Shore, Holiday Cheer, $75. Kincaid Main Street Fireworks, $42. Food and Wine Pin Limited Edition, $15.99. Goofy Gummies, $6.79. How can you go wrong for $6? Telling you. Retail value of your box, $139.78. So, and then they have pictures of different boxes that have already been curated just to show some examples of what people have received. So, like I said, it's the first time we've done this box. What I'm thrilled about is how good they are with the preferences. I'm thrilled with the fact that these are all Disney parks merch, legit Disney stuff, and of the times. I really like this pin. One thing that recently I did a video about Bibbidi and I was upset because the value of their box is pretty much equal exactly to what we paid. This one, total value, again, was $139.78, so $140. This one kind of fits in that same realm. On the upside, it doesn't have any of the small shop stuff that says Bibbidi all over it like the other place does. This is all legit stuff. So I have a little bit of a weakness toward that because I like Disney stuff. So anybody that can pack their box full of legit good stuff, I'm cool with that. I just wish it had a higher value. So we will continue this box for a little while. We'll give it another month or two and see how it does. All box companies, their value fluctuates a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. We'll give it another shot. Hope for a little bit more in there. And that's it. I dig it. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our weird channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.